Okay, guys, what we have here now, let's have a look. We've got a Raspberry Pi Zero, okay, and connected with this GPIO system, which is very good. We have an OLED, a potentiometer, and obviously, okay, sorry, there's a bit of a connection problem here. Okay, the problem is that the Raspberry Pi sorry guys, I got too many wires. Okay, so the problem is here as usual. Okay. All right, sorry about this. So what happened with this is that we're going to play tennis. The Raspberry Pi has no analog, so I have to use a PCF8591. It's an ADC converter. So what it does, this allowed you to connect the potentiometer because it's an analog, and Raspberry Pi has got no analog pin, so I need a converter. Okay, so let me adjust the volume. It's too low. Volume loud now. Okay, let's go to the Raspberry Pi. I use a real VNC viewer, which you don't need to use a screen, as I explained earlier on. You just use the VNC viewer, and you can access your desktop of your Pi from your computer. This is the Tony. Tony is a program that I'm going to use to play the tennis, and we're going to run it. This is a code. I will post this code on the web. Okay, now let's go back to play against the computer. Ooh, we play against the computer. It's a bit slow, but can be adjust the speed. It's quite small, the pot, so it doesn't really. Boom. Okay, so this is just to show how it works. It's quite fun. Obviously, if you can play with two players, you have just to change the coding. And at the moment, I set it up to play with with the computer myself. So it's very slow and easy to maneuver. If it gets faster, then you might have a bit more. It also would be faster if you play directly with the screen on the Pi, because I missed it. Boom. Now it changes the courses, you see. Seems to spend more time up north now. Any case, thank you very much. This is just the way it works. And have a good day. And please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.